Okay, so at 10:41 a.m. with the initial balance in, I've noticed that we're not reaching the golden zones. Basically, 50% retracements are reigning supreme. So optimism, even though the momentum of the market has slowed down significantly, optimism reigns supreme, at least for now. So I'll be looking for 50% retracements and small entries there, and then adding at the 61.8 or 65% golden zone if given the opportunity. Based on this recent move to the upside, it's a very small move. There's the 50% retracement right there. Could buy in here on the bid, try to just squeeze out a few handles, or wait for the 61.8 retracement at the very least, if not the 65. So considering that, the internal high would put me out at about 660. There's only about 6 points of profit here. I don't want to risk 5 to make 6. So I'm going to let this come down further or not take the trade. Potential for profit targets getting a little bit richer, 7, 8 handles. Right around 8 plus, we're looking at 10 plus handles. I'm a little bit more risk on, but still, it's a small move, so I'd rather take it at 61.8. Let's see if we get down there. The 61.8 retracement would be, of course, 647.75. There we are, right there. It'll be a market entry.
Order submitted.
Now, this would use a 5-point stop. Entries at 648, so 643 or so is the stop. I'm on hotkeys. The other option is to go below the strong low, which might be the way to go. Let the market take you out. Most recent significant low, right there. Remember, very optimistic market, although we do seem to have a reversal of thesis here to the downside. So quick to kill, make the losses small, and let winners run at least to a reasonable altitude. Right here, it would be if you look to the left side of what's already happened, that fractal right at 659 would be a good profit target. So let's work with it. And now I'm going to start managing my stop. Using the volatility index, comes with the Renko suite. This is the back-testable Uni-Renko suite. There is no Renko system better. Need to see a closed candle here with a higher. There you go. Let's get that baby closed and in the bank, and we'll be good. Stop management. It's okay to exit at any time. You can see the chop has entered the market. We have the paint filtration on the Renko system making all sorts of different colors other than red and green. Watching the footprint, we are very close to the top of the range. We do have a measured move that hasn't been hit yet. So a little bit of patience might get you that, but I'd rather bank the money. Cashing the check's what it's all about. Not being right. Cash the check. We don't really have an upside confluent chart at this point, so I'm considering exiting. Short-term stuff at 377 tick. Not exactly a price action trader's dream for continuation to the long side. The bias is definitely green, but candle expansion isn't happening. We get a little candle expansion, I'd stay in. 5 3/4 in the hand, 5 in the hand. And a brand new candle on the 377. Watching the shorter time frames. There we go. A little bit of range expansion there. If we hit 657.75, we'll smack that profit target. Out we go. 8.5. I'm not going to wait for that to hit. Put it in the bank.